Here is your first question. Arrange the following memory types in the decreasing order of their access speed. A. Registers, cache, hard disk drive, magnetic tape. B. Cache, registers, magnetic tape, hard disk drive. C. Magnetic tape, hard disk drive, registers, cache. D. Magnetic tape, hard disk drive, cache, registers. Correct answer is A. Registers, cache, hard disk drive, magnetic tape. Explanation. Registers, these are the fastest form of memory, located directly on the CPU. Cache. Cache memory is faster than main RAM but slower than registers, used to store frequently accessed data. Hard disk drive, HDD, this is a type of secondary storage, much slower than cache or registers. Magnetic tape. This is a very slow storage medium, used primarily for backup and archiving. Next question is, the digital computer is based on A. Charles Babbage architecture, B. John von Neumann architecture, C. Alan Turing architecture, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. John von Neumann architecture. Explanation. The digital computer is based on the John von Neumann architecture, which consists of a central processing unit, CPU, memory, and input-output devices. It uses a shared memory for both data and instructions, which is a fundamental concept in modern computers. Charles Babbage is known for his conceptual design of the analytical engine, which laid the groundwork for modern computing, but it's not the direct basis for today's digital computers. Alan Turing made significant contributions to computing, particularly with the Turing machine, a theoretical model of computation, but it's not the architecture used in digital computers. Next question is, a computer program that manages computer hardware resources is known as A. Memory manager, B. Database management system, C. Operating system, D. System software. Correct answer is C. Operating system. Explanation. An operating system, OS, is a software that manages computer hardware resources and provides various services for computer programs. It controls the execution of programs, manages memory, processes, input, output devices, and provides an interface between the user and the hardware. Memory manager is a part of the OS responsible for managing the computer's memory. Database management system, DBMS, is software that manages databases and provides tools to interact with and organize data. System software is a broad term that includes operating systems and other software that helps manage computer hardware. Next question is, consider the following statements. 1. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks. 2. Internet is also called World Wide Web, WWW. Identify the correct statement. A. Both 1 and 2 statements are wrong. B. Both 1 and 2 statements are correct. C. Only statement 1 is correct. D. Only statement 2 is correct. Correct answer is C. Only statement 1 is correct. Explanation. 1. Statement 1. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks. This is correct. The Internet is indeed a vast network of interconnected computer systems that enables communication and data sharing worldwide. 2. Statement 2. Internet is also called World Wide Web, WWW. This is incorrect. The World Wide Web, WWW, is a service available over the Internet, but it is not the same as the Internet itself. The Internet is the infrastructure that connects computers and networks globally, while the World Wide Web is a collection of websites and web pages accessible via the Internet. Next question is, in a hard disk drive, the time needed to move the head to a specific track is called A. Seek time, B. Rotational latency, C. Reach time, D. Track find time, TFT. Correct answer is A. Seek time. Explanation. Seek time refers to the time it takes for the hard disk's read, write head to move to the correct track where data is located. Rotational latency refers to the time it takes for the disk to rotate the correct sector under the read/write head once the head is positioned on the correct track. Reach time and track find time (TFT) are not standard terms used in hard disk specifications. Next question is, identify the correct arrangement of networks in the descending order of their geographic area coverage. A. LAN, WAN, MAN. B. WAN, LAN, MAN. C. LAN, MAN, WAN. D. WAN, MAN, LAN. Correct answer is D. WAN, MAN, LAN. Explanation. WAN, Wide Area Network, covers the largest geographic area, typically spanning cities, countries, or even continents. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, covers a smaller area than WAN, typically spanning a city or a large campus. LAN, Local Area Network, covers the smallest area, usually limited to a single building or a group of buildings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.